Hello Python programmers, this is AK. In this video I'm going to show you the ways to generate passive income through different streams in an authentic way. I know some blogs and apps are promoting like just invest your money on this graph and predict the graph state. If you predict correctly, then you will earn this much of dollars. So it is a fake thing. That is not an authentic way to earn money. So don't fall into that kind of trap, okay? Most probably, if you want to generate the passive income source, then you have to invest two things. The first thing is time and second thing is skills. These two things are enough to earn good passive income consistently. The following approaches that I am going to mention here are truly based on your skills and time investment. So before that, what is passive income? Passive income is any money earned in a manner that doesn't require too much effort. There are several passive income generating ideas that require a lot of work to begin with, like developing a blog, maintaining a YouTube channel. Eventually, they earn money when the owner is in the sleep mode. So this is what the passive income is. Some domains require a lot of hard work to begin with. Once you complete the initial process, then you can earn more money consistently. So I know this video is a little bit different from my usual videos, but I want to upload these kind of videos because the current situations are like that. Back in my college days, my friends around me started to become financially independent in their second year itself. So before making this video, I called to my friends and I asked the approaches that they followed to become financially independent in their college days. So in my case, I become financially independent in 2020. My way is through YouTube. I'm considering YouTube is my primary passive income and freelancing is my secondary passive income. My friends are not like me, they earn from different sources. In this method, we are going to discuss all the potential income streams to generate passive income for students. I know this video is very useful for the college students who eagerly wants to generate an income through organic way. So before we start this video, consider subscribing to this channel. It will help me to produce more good videos like this. So let's start this video. First, I'm going to start with my friends, like what approaches they follow to earn passive income. When I was in my second year, I know one guy, he worked as a tutor in one private institute. You know, tutoring is one of the easiest thing to earn money. But I assume like the tutor domain now is compromised of this COVID. In 2018, he started coaching to high school students. He took core subjects like mathematics and science. So compared to engineering mathematics, it is very easy for us to take 12th grade classes. I mentioned the tutoring job is now compromised. I meant like offline tutoring classes are now completely compromised by the COVID. After the COVID, many students are not even visiting the schools. They are attending the classes in online platforms. In India, the famous edtech platforms encouraging the part-time teaching jobs, and if you are really interested, you can enroll and showcase your teaching skills. Some of the edtech domains are not hiring any college students, those who are in first and second year. But if you are interested to take classes for high school students, then you can choose any private institute around you and go and approach them like you are interested to take classes. First, they will check your skills and they will put you on one test. Once you crack that test, then you can do your work. So this is the first and most used approach for students to generate passive income. In 2018, my friend followed this approach to generate his passive income. But now, there are a lot of edtech platforms are available. Even in Indeed and Naukri, you can search about the part-time tutoring jobs. So before making this video, I checked these two websites. They are providing the remote jobs for tutoring. For getting this job, you have to be more skillful for this domain. Suppose if you are going to take any mathematics classes to 12th grade students, you should be very good in integration and differentiation kind of things. So if you are good at this, then only you can enter into the job. This is what he did to earn his passive income. The second thing is online business. Anyone can start money making online business if you are having one computer in your home. But here the thing is, virtually no technical experience is needed for this job. Today, there are a lot of tools are available you can use to build an online business that makes the technical work a lot easier than it was in the past. So how to earn money from online business? So based on the recent trend, I saw most of the people are act as influencers in some famous social medias like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. So I bet myself everyone who watching this video, you came across with online brand integration video which was done by your favorite YouTubers, Instagram peoples and Facebook meme pages. So this is one of the familiar thing in the internet right now. And if you are having certain followers reach on social media, then you will receive lot of commercial brand advertisement offers from the popular brands in the market. For example, take the YouTuber Mr. Beast. I saw his videos, not every videos, but most of his videos you can see some promotional thing to third-party apps or websites or games. Here's the thing, the brand are using your influence among your followers and they are paying you for referring their product to your own community peoples. So this type of peoples are called as influencers. If they are in the Instagram, they can call it themselves as a Instagram influencer. Absolutely, the name differs from each and every social media. Nowadays, people are taking this as a serious passive income way. I know few people on Instagram, they are actually my school friends. They are having some good follower strength in Instagram. They do advertisement for brands, and if you want to become an influencer, you don't need any investment. Just mobile phone is enough to attract the peoples. So how to become an influencer? You need a good mobile and select a niche and do anything in front of the camera. It will get viral in few days. That's all. You are an influencer now. So apart from joke, the influencer thing is not completely work like that. Influencer is also need a lot of time to create your own community. And if you are already a popular cinema star, then it will be easy for you to create bunch of follower base around you. Another thing in the online business category is affiliate marketing. How affiliate marketing works. For example, you know the famous e-commerce site called Amazon. There are a lot of products out there and people are buying a lot of products daily. So in Amazon, there is an option called affiliate marketing. Suppose if you join the Amazon affiliate program, for each and every product, they will give you one link. Your job is to share the link to your followers. If anybody purchases through your shared link, their purchase response will be recorded and you will earn some commission from the Amazon. So this is what the affiliation marketing is. So other than this, there are a lot of opportunities are available in the online business world. You can earn through the AdSense. Google is providing one separate platform for ads that is called Google AdSense. You can easily integrate Google AdSense to your supported mediums. Take an example, I am running my YouTube channel and if you saw any ads in beginning of this video, then it is a revenue for me.
Why, Dada? Why?
This is business.
This is my sweat.
I know, but I did business.
Shut up!
So this is what the AdSense is. If you are having any website, you can easily integrate the Google AdSense to your site. It will show the ads and Google will pay you monthly for those ads. So these are the ways you can easily earn your passive income through various online platforms. And that's all about this video. If you want more video like this, then subscribe this channel for more updates. Thanks for watching and thank you and see you on next week.